Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove coming soon on a WordPress website. As you can see here, right now I got the coming soon, so I'm going to show you how to remove it. I'm hosted by Bluehost. As you can see here right now, it's saying coming soon is active, so you can launch it now. I'm gonna click here. You can customize your home page from here, but in my case I'm not going to do that. I got already my home page here. This is my home page. I'm busy working on it. Okay, so I'm not going to customize a new web page, a new home page, so I'm gonna exit. I'm gonna close this. If I'm gonna click again, if you click here, launch your website, I'm gonna just straight down here, I'm gonna click launch with confidence, launch my site. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how it look like. As you can see, I'm gonna refresh this page. As you can see here, the coming soon page is gone. Okay, I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe. Ciao.